Yo YouTube, what up? This is GSNCards coming back at you once again with a one-box break 2007 Bowmans Best Baseball. Looking for 9 autographs in the box. If I could get it open, that would be nice. I believe there's like a mini pack in here also. There's box number 1. Extremely heavy boxes too. They got some weight on them. And there's actually 2 of them, right? Yeah, there's 2 Alex Rodriguez cards. And I've seen a bunch of these boxes busted, and I have never seen an autographed A-Rod. So I don't know if they even put him in, but here we go. This is pack number 1. No autograph in that one. It's 2 inserts, 409 and 420 home runs for the Yankees. And there they are. Oh, Bob. Frank, someone pulled one at your shop? Oh, nice. I just saw a sticker on the back of a card. I just saw a sticker. If that's autographed, man, just when I say I don't think they ever put him in here. It's going to... Authentic game-worn jersey, hand-numbered 19 out of 25 autograph for the Phillies. Ryan Howard. Fucking sick. Ryan Howard autograph on card. And I guess this is a buyback. This is a buyback from Bowmans Heritage. That is nasty. We've been pulling some great stuff lately. I think this is a buyback because it's from Bowmans Heritage, and on the back it just says game-worn jersey relic card of Ryan Howard. And sick, clean autograph right over there. And it's the jersey auto. And there's the back with the sticker. So just like when I said I didn't think they put any autographs. Number 19 out of 25 of Ryan Howard. So congratulations, Phillies, which are Casimir 114. Casimir 114 on that hit. Here we go, box number 1. So we've been doing really nice baseball breaks so far. 1 of 1 in a hot box and elite. Just hit one of those buyback autos. And here we go. This box is extremely thick. I mean, the packs are thick. But here we go. Pack number 1. How many packs per box are they? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 packs per mini box. Alright, here we go. I'm going to try not to get my handprints on them, but really nice looking cards. We got a base. I'll just show you guys the hits on blog. Base. We have a green prospect of Andrew Fye. That'll be for the D-backs, Diamondbacks, numbered out of 249. This product actually reminds me of Tribute a lot. Base and base. There we go, pack 2. This will be an autograph. It is a rookie. It'll be for the Twins. Not bad. We have a rookie of Glenn Perkins for the Twins. Glenn Perkins. So, nice auto there. Rookie auto for the Twins. And base. Base. We have a green of Kevin Slowey for the Twins, rookie green. It's probably at a 249, and it is. And more base. So these last 2 packs should have an autograph. These last 2 packs should have autographs. Barry Bonds, look at that. Barry Bonds base. And we have a prospect for the St. Louis Cardinals. Prospect auto. It's not numbered, of Chris Perez. Chris Perez for the the Cardinals. And final pack. Final pack of mini box number 1. Will be another autograph in here. It should be, at least. And oh, that's sick. First time I ever pulled one of him. There's a little damage actually on the card. I don't know. I'm not gonna touch it, but there's like something on the name, the name part of the card. But for the Mets, we have an autograph of David Wright. First time I ever pulled him, and you can kind of see on the ID of David, there's a little like something's on that card. But David Wright autograph for the New York Mets. And base. So that is mini box number 1. So far, a nice box of Bowman's Best. Ryan Howard, we hit the buyback. David Wright auto. Nice Twins auto. And a prospect that, personally, I have never heard of. Alright, here we go. Box number 2. Cardinals is coming back a little bit here in this game. We have a prospect of Chris Carter for the White Sox out of $4.99. Chris Carter and base. A green for the Yankees, rookie, numbered out of 249 of Tyler Clippard. All right, these last 3 packs should have autographs in them. We have a prospect for the Boston Red Sox, Jason Place. He looks young in that picture, too. Jason Place. Doesn't say what year he was born. For the Red Sox. 2 packs to go. And mini box number 2 out of 3. Another autograph here. So going to be a rookie. For the Dodgers, we have an autograph rookie card of Andy LaRoche. Not too bad there. Andy LaRoche autograph for the Dodgers. And final pack. Oh, that's nice too. That's sick. First time I ever pulled this guy's autograph as well. For the Red Sox, Jonathan Papelbon autograph. Jonathan Papelbon. And the card, it's like, I don't know, I guess it's hard to keep these in mint condition. It's like a little scratched up, it looks like. But Jonathan Papelbon autograph for the Red Sox. Very nice hit. So, Andy LaRoche, Papelbon, David Wright, Ryan Howard auto so far. And here we go. Final box of Bowman's Best. Really nice product. Maybe I'll try to get this in again. I kind of like it. Base. Prospect of Aaron Cunningham for the Diamondbacks out of $4.99. This was an A-Rod base. We have a rookie of Delman Young for the Rays out of $7.99. Final 3 packs. Should be 3 autographs. Good luck. And first autograph will go to the Royals. Pretty nice there. Luke Hochevar, or Hochevar. I have a couple autographs of him with David Price, actually. But nice hit for the Royals. Prospect auto. 2 packs left. And we have for the Padres, rookie auto of Kevin Kuzminoff. Kevin Kuzminoff, rookie auto for the Padres. Final pack. Final pack of Bowman's Best. Really nice box, I feel like. It's going to be a pitcher. Oh, another sick card. Very nice box. For the Phillies. Phillies again. Cole Hamels autograph. Cole Hamels. That's awesome. So, great box of Bowman's Best. Just to recap, Cole Hamels auto we hit. Kevin Kuzminoff. Jonathan Papelbon. Andy LaRoche. David Wright. Perkins, and then that really nice buyback auto of Ryan Howard. So another nice box. We'll be back. 2 boxes to go. GSN Cards is out.